I did not see this coming. You never know what people are going through. So a few weeks ago, I was in Las Vegas celebrating a good friend's retirement and just sat down and had a nice, candid conversation with one of her nieces. And she began to share how she missed her freedom. Now, what do I mean by freedom? Well, she shared that she had the freedom to go wherever she wanted to go, whether it was during the week or whatever. Okay, so she went from earning her income on her own terms to going back into the 9 to 5 world because life changes, right? There were some things that occurred in her life and she needed to go back to work the traditional way. And she was accustomed to getting paid every day. She was accustomed to going wherever she wanted to go when she wanted to go. So now she works from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and only has the weekends to do whatever she needs to do, run her errands, take time with her children, her grandkids, etc. And she said, oh my God, I miss it so much. I did not know how good I had it. So the thing that got me was that she said, I had to ask to go on vacation to make this trip. I'm not used to asking anybody for anything. And I said, wow, it does feel good to be able to live life on your own terms. So what I did was I said, hey, if you're really serious about getting back to making money on your own terms where you can make some serious money and not worry about going back to work, I have something for you. So she was all ears. So I told her about Darius' Digital Secret and she was super excited. So I gave her the information. She's excited to get started because she knows that she will be able to live on her own terms again. So with Darius' Digital Secret, you get a free download. The download tells you exactly what we do to earn money, our income producing activities with just 2 hours a day. So you get an already created product, you get a automated funnel that does the selling for you. You don't have to go out there and sell anything. It works on your behalf 24/7. And you're part of a community, a huge community of entrepreneurs like yourself, where you get the support that you may need or that's needed. Because when you're working with someone, it does feel a lot better, right? So the thing is that you are working for yourself, you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself. So you'll get all the support that you need to be successful in your business. We have daily videos where our mentor comes in and speaks to us, pours into us each and every day so that you can get the guidance that you need. So if this is something that you're looking for, you're ready to ditch that 9 to 5 and really hone in your freedom and live the life the way you want to live, comment Digital Secret. And what I'll do is I'll send over the PDF so that you can see exactly what we're doing and be a part of the community.